Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers to your document and select their position on the document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the document, and after that tap on the insert button at the top of the screen. That's the third option. Then go to the page numbers section, tap on it, and here you can select whether you would like to add the page number to header at the top or to footer, which is in the second row. So you can select the relevant one, tap on it, and then the page number will be changed. You can also include a page count, as you can see. And if you would like to remove the page numbers, just tap on this last button and then they will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.